intern with Axis and Company. In this video, I'll be discussing partners as mentioned under the Indian Partnership Act of 1932. The member of a partnership firm is called a partner. It is not mandatory that all partners are the same or all the partners participate in the conduct of business or share the profits or losses equally. Partners are classified depending on the nature of their work, the extent of liability, etc. So there are basically 6 types of partners. First is the active or the managing partner. The partner who takes participation in the conduct of business daily is called an ostensible or a managing partner. Second is a sleeping or a dormant partner who does not participate in the conduct of business but he is bound by the conduct of all the partners. Third would be a nominal partner who is a partner to the firm only by his name. In reality, he has no significant or real interest in the firm. Fourth would be a partner in profit only. The partner who agrees to share the profits but does not suffer losses and is not liable for any liabilities in case of dealing with a third party. Fifth would be a minor. A minor cannot be a partner according to the Indian Contract Act, but he can be admitted to get the benefits of all the partners if all the partners give their consent. He will share the profits equally, but his liability will be limited in case of loss to the firm. Last is partner by estoppel. It means when the person is not a partner but he has represented himself by conduct or words to another person to be the partner and he cannot deny it afterwards. Even though he is not a partner, he becomes a partner by holding out or by estoppel. That brings me to the end of this video. If you have any queries, you can post them in the comments. Thank you.